Assalamu alaikum. Hello everyone. Welcome back to my another video. In this video, how to remove numbers before text in Excel. Okay. Now we can see this. Set text with number. Select text, full text, and go to Tools tab. Select text, extract text. Extract by locations. Now see this. The last and character. Added this. Okay. Remove this number. Now click OK and select cell processing to okay. Again select a number, go to Tools tab, text, extract text, select start to end character and remove this number. Now click OK. Select single cells. Okay, thanks for watching video. Please subscribe to my channel, like, comment, share.